Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoko. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Peterson udeserve ukuba kuBafana Bafana better than uRicardo Goss. Why? uRicardo Goss bafethu udlala amagame awu-12 laphana kuSwelele FC. Guess what? Uconcede amagoli awu-10. 10 goals conceded. 10. So uselekthwa kuBafana Bafana based on what ngempela? Yini into ayenza kahle masiyibheka nathi siyincome sisho ukuthi okay uyadeserve ukuba lapha, uyadeserve ukuba ku-national team because of you select abantu based on i-performance. Siyazi ukuthi even if uHugo Broos akafuni ukumselekta lo, it's okay, but-ke asibheke nama-performances wabantu bafethu. Lo goalkeeper lo consider almost each and every game. Kurare ukuthi angaconcede. The only time angaconsideranga bebadlala kula surprising win against iSikhukhune, against Stellenbosch esingenzi kahle, against Marumo Gallants, the first game of the season. Kuphela. Only 4 clean sheets. Yabo? So angikakabalike namanye ama-competition. I'm not sure if uKhalling bekuvimba yena, but-ke nje elikini uconsider amagoli awu-10. But u-preferred laphana kuBafana Bafana. U-Edwa based on ini bafethu? Asibeni fair. Ngefakani uPeterson. I saw ubani umjita lo wePirates uSipho Shane bamnika opportunity ukuthi avimbe. Angimazi noma bethukile or benzani because uyaphuma epalini bamkorila ngisho ku-international break lesibuya kuyo le badlala neZambia. Uyaphuma and idefender lakhe belizokwazi ukufika lapha nebholweni before yena ukuthi yena just ablock lapha nepalini, but no uyaphuma. Banamaphutha bonke o-goalkeeper. uSipho Shane, yes, is a proven goalkeeper. Uyavimba, uvimba kakhulu for i-Orlando Pirates, yazi. Orlando Pirates well deserve ukuthi abe kuBafana Bafana, but uRicardo Goss bafethu ngiyalo. Peterson ama-clean sheets angaka benza ngathi abamboni. 7 clean sheets. Angeke bafethu. uPeterson uconcede kakhulu egamini eyodwa la concede 3 goals against iSikhukhune United. Because i-defense yakhe futhi wa-expose abo-Froster because of iside like Froster belixega that day. But I remember even the first goal balikora via i-left back. But i-defense nje yakhe amletha down. Uconsider amagoli awu-6 in 11 appearances, 7 clean sheets. Elikini ngibala iliki kuphela. Angakayi ku-continental level mangizobala lapho ngiye ku-CAF, ngiye home laphana e-FNB, ngiye eCongo. Yabona mangiya lapho sengizo-add nama-clean sheets plus awu-2 futhi. So cup game la baye khona kuKhalling baye khona kuma-penalty iskobo kuba so unama-clean sheets more than is it 10 11 lapho nje kusizini yonke. So uyi-goalkeeper odeservayo ukuthi abe laphana avimbe, but akavimbe, or not necessary ukuthi avimbe, but-ke abe khona ku-squad selection because of ama-performances wakhe ayamkhulumela. But uHugo Broos bazoyi-ignora yonke lento le baselect uRicardo Goss because of umuntu bafethu o-rewarded based on ama-performances wakhe, hayi ukuthi wazi ubani kanjani bayamfavor abamfavor. No, you get rewarded based on ama-performances wakhe. If you don't perform, you don't get rewarded. If you do perform, you get rewarded. So yeah, Peterson now ngiyathiwa awu-10 ama-clean sheets wakhe wonke nje this season mengibala nama-cup game. uRicardo Goss yena uconcede amagoli awu-10 elikini kuphela elikini, sabala iliki kuphela, but upreferred kanjani? Hayi ziyakhala bafethu, but yeah man, uPeterson siyazi ukuthi naye ushilo ukuthi icoach yakhe ishilo ukuthi ufuna ukubuyela kuBafana Bafana. If phela akabuyeli manje kuBafana Bafana kuchaza ukuthi ngeke aphinde abuyele kuBafana Bafana. This is the performance of his life ukuthi angaconcede. Biggest performance of his life, but still they overlook him. How? But yeah man, it's a game. I think ezinye izinto kumele ukwazi ukuphila nazo as u-goalkeeper, usho ukuthi ngiyenza kahle but abantu abangiboni abangincomi, because leyo nto leyo nje ukuthi bakwazi ukumselect laphana ku-national team into engaba important kakhulu ezomnika more confidence ukuthi akwazi ukuphusha, ukuthi akwazi ukulwa. But-ke if like they overlook him like this, obviously leyo nto leyo ingam-discourage. Hayi ukuthi ingam-discourage futhi iyam-discourage at some point ukuthi hawu ngenzeni ngempela nguPeterson because ngiyaperforma week in and week out for a team, but I'm not even seen. Kwaselect goalkeeper abawu-5, I'm not even making that 5. into chaza straight ukuthi man there's like i-personal vendetta e-serious against uPeterson or i-team le ayidlalelayo, which is not fair. Akuselektheni bafowethu based on merit, not based on ukuthi angibaselekthile nje. Siyazi ukuthi uRicardo Goss ngeke avimbe ku-World Cup, ngeke avimbe ndawo, but-ke leyo nto leyo ukuthi ukhona behind closed doors, behind the scenes, kuyasiza leyo nto leyo, iyammotivate ukuthi okay bayangibona ukuthi ngiyaperforma. Reward ama-performances, unga-reward ngobungani or ngey'bongo ukuthi ngazi ubani, ngifavor bani, lona ngimthandi ngoba no, reward abantu based on ama-performances wabo. Yes, uPeterson siyamazi ayi ngama-blunder ubuya kude-ke, but-ke this season has shown ukuthi uyazini ngikhona bafowethu and I'm performing and I'm willing to give everything that I have for the team. So I as Peterson deserve an opportunity to be seen, to be heard, to be selected for the national team, because leyo nto iyamsiza. Ngiyazi ukuthi abantu ngike ngayichaza lento ukuthi abantu banokuthi abayekwa national team isiza ama-player bafethu when it comes to izinto zama-contract, so negotiator based on, so yasho ukuthi hayi ngiyibafana international, I'm selected for the national team, I'm doing this, I'm doing, yabo. So loko nje kukodwa kuyakwazi ukusiza i-play. Ngibone namagoli awakhonsidile manje, ungawabheka amanye amagoli awakhonsidile like ayamangaza ukuthi okay, this is an international goalkeeper but i-confidence akanayo that much. Siyazi ukuthi ukhonsida njalo namanye, I mean phela ukuze ubuild i-defense e-right, i-communication, khona igoli ithi nje ngibale elilodwa lela namhlanje against AmaZulu. Ku-defense yabo abana-communication, i-defender lakhe lifuna ukushilda iplayer lamaZulu, but-ke yena kusho ukuthi no communication, akalitshelanga ukuthi angiphumanga mfethu nje ubuzama ukushilda umuntu wena, mina angiphumanga, I'm still waiting lana epalini. So wena do what you must uclear ibhola, but-ke there's no communication between the two. That is why sibone babakora igoli elithusayo. That was just embarrassing because i-good defense i-shape a good goalkeeper. If i-defense yakho i-bad, it makes goalkeeper bad ngoba anina communication. But if you have a good goalkeeper at the back, i-defense iba at ease because iyazi ukuthi is no goalkeeper right. You as a goalkeeper, you have to be able to read the game, ubone ukuthi okay badlala kanje, ama-opponents adlala kanje, singaba-attacker kanje, singa-capitalize la. Yeah, but-ke uyahluleka uku-communicate umfethu. For me, I think, well, it's not even about ukuthi lento le akusi about ukufavor, it's about ukuthi i-numbers thini masibheka, and then nama-saves laphana on average, ama-big chances when the opposition create those chances, ukuthi mayawafika laphana epalini ugoalkeeper lese uPeterson uyakwazi ukureacta na, ureacta kanjani, zonke lezo zinto lezo. So far so good for Peterson. Ricardo Goss, it's not a good season, but uhlezi ukhona kuBafana Bafana.